Good luck, Vegas. There's big smallmouth and big largemouth, both. Are you seeing the grass or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So like you might want to even push a little deeper toward like the edge of the grass, you know?
Yeah.
Look for holes, look for pockets, high spots. I mean,
Wait, am I looking for the edge or the hole?
I mean edges, holes, both. Like I don't know. See, we didn't practice, so I just don't know what they're in. You know what I mean? So you're gonna have to do a little bit of everything, okay? Drag, you got drag? Mark the spot.
It's already marked. It's literally on the spot.
Just keep it. It's a 16. Go back out. Right where you just cast. Jesus, was that your first cast? It's gonna be a good day, Vegas.
So how is it?
15 and a half. This is one that we can keep, but we still need big ones. Check your drag. I didn't hear your drag go great. And I'm on.
It's a tiny guy.
Did I tell you I'm his net man? Listen,
I'm watching, I'm like, oh, Vegas is hooked up. And then I'm like, wait, is he still fighting the same fish?
Listen, in these tournaments, I don't do much.
You don't have to.
I'm just the dad. I just net,
You
so.
don't have to.
And I haven't taken pictures in so long because I haven't fished a kayak event in so long. I forget how to do it.
Man, Vegas, keep going, dude.
Thank you.
You're very welcome, man.
Good luck.
That's why you're the hammer.
Why is it so hot?
The water's hot. Water's like 80 degrees, bro.
Alright, just cast it and it's out.
Okay,
And then you're right out there.
we're at.
Oh.
You got another one? That's a big one. Good keeper, dude.
Oh, he's long.
And the wind's gonna pick up, so let's take advantage of this where we can actually fish. I might have to go to the rowboat because I'm not really catching them. I'm gonna take about 3 more casts with this, and then I gotta go. I'll go to the purple rowboat instead of the pink, just to show them something a little different.
Oh wait, this color?
No, I'm gonna go to the purple, just because I don't want to throw the same exact thing you're throwing.
Oh yeah, yeah. These are the man.
Man, they like that thing. I'm getting bluegill bites too, but nothing like you are. I can't believe you haven't scoped any yet. It's making me.
I'm looking at it.
It's making me laugh that you're just blind casting them.
Oh God! Oh God! Yes. Yes. Oh yes.
Quiet, quiet. Don't. I want no yesing until you actually set the hook on them.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh God. No.
Don't forget your tick, 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 tick thing.
Oh yeah.
All right, I can't get bit on this. I want to do one more cast. I don't think brownback's the deal. It was that one tournament. I mean, this has caught every single one of them on.
Yeah, it's weird.
Here's a big one. Big giant one. Put a waypoint. Put a waypoint. I've bought them for a year. Your old dad helped you. I didn't know if I'd catch one today. Your old dad's got a big one. This side. This side. Vegas? Vegas? No, no. No, no. No, no. Keep fishing. Vegas. No, no.
For a day, it's all the way down his mouth. Come on.
We're never going to do that again. We're never going to promise me. Tell me.
Then it did look like I was going to.
Just promise me real quick.
Yeah.
We're never going to do that again. Ever again the rest of our life. Okay. Big, big. Oh my gosh. Might be a smallmouth that's coming at me. How's it going now?
What is that?
Big bass. Ready? Get ready. But isn't that in the water? Okay. Okay, you ready? Okay. Big smallmouth. Big largemouth. Largemouth.
Wait, what?
All right, keep fishing. Put a waypoint. Put a waypoint.
There's a waypoint. This is the main spot that we're at.
Keep fishing. This way. Vegas. Oh, there's white bass in here. There's hybrid stripers. There are some pike, pickerel, and stuff. They're big crappie, big bluegill. There's yellow perch. They're behind us here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, here goes Jesus. Oh my God! Come on now. Right there. Oh God. Go back to the front. Smallmouth.
Yeah. Stay on the top. There he is. Oh, that's not the best.
I think they're going to throw though. Help us.
What? How do I just...
Did that bite come in the beginning part of the cast or the end part of the cast?
Like, in the, middle. There he is.
Yeah, you're doing better with the back. Say it little.
Ah, I like that. Huh. What was it?
What help?
About like an inch, probably?
A couple inches.
That's nothing.
Nope, not much.
Ooh.
Get it? Big one.
I don't know if I'm trying or not. Am I not? No, God.
Up.
There you go.
Nope. Oh shoot, they're big.
It's alright. Maybe he'll make it.
Hey everybody, Mike Iaconelli. Thank you for watching Going Ike. I hope you learned something. While you're here, stop right now, hit that subscribe button. Become a subscriber to my channel. We have new content coming every single week. And while you're here, check out these other 2 videos. They're really, really good.